this is Tim Queen, and today I'm going to share with you how you get subtitles for your LinkedIn videos. Why should you have subtitles on your LinkedIn videos? Let me give you a couple of reasons. Number one, people often use LinkedIn at work. So that means they oftentimes don't have sound systems available, because people don't think that you should waste your time watching movies or watching music. They just want you to work and use your Excel spreadsheet. So there's for some people, they can't even have audio. Secondly, it might be forbidden to watch videos or watch anything else at work. So even if they have sound system, might not be able to listen to it, or it might be against the rules. So they might not have the ability to listen to audio. What they do have, however, they might be able to read the post. That's why I always recommend to have a description for every single video that you're posting out, which should give a summary of what the content, the core message of your video is all about. But some people want to learn more. They want to hear, they want to read along the subtitles because they can't listen to audio. And some people just don't like audio, they just like reading better. The other reason is also videos will start to play automatically. They won't have any sound, but you will be able to see the subtitles on the screen. So that's a really important factor to help people decide whether or not they want to turn the sound on or not, whether or not this is relevant to them or is giving them any value. So how can you create subtitles on LinkedIn? There is different tools how you can create subtitles, which are really complicated. Some are free, some are paid. But the best way how you can create subtitles on a reliable way, completely for free, is if you upload your LinkedIn video on YouTube. And it's really important that your audio quality is high-end quality, that your voice is loud and clear and there is not a lot of background noise. And what's going to happen is that YouTube will automatically transcribe every single video of yours and create a subtitle file. So if you go on YouTube and you edit your videos and you head over to the subtitle section, you will notice that in most cases there's already a pre-created subtitle file in the language that you recorded it in available. You can click on this video subtitle and then click on download and make sure that you select SRT. That's the subtitle file you want to have. You can then take this and upload this directly on the LinkedIn video. Another thing you might want to do, sometimes the subtitle system might not be able to pick up every single word of yours. In that case, you might want to edit the subtitles on YouTube first. Once you have edited them and fixed all the typos and the different words that the voice recognition system didn't get, then save it and then download it again. Then, this is really important, you only got one chance to upload your subtitle file properly. Only the moment when you create can you add a subtitle file. LinkedIn isn't as advanced as YouTube, so you can't edit it, you can't change it once the subtitle file is uploaded. It's either there or it isn't. You can't edit a subtitle file at a later point. So you have to make sure once you add the video to your post, there is a little checkbox that you have to click, and then you add the SRT file that you just downloaded from YouTube, and then you save it. And then the subtitle file will be added to your LinkedIn video and people will be able to read it. And when it's auto-playing, people can just read along and see if it's something for them or not. That's also one of the reasons why you want to have something really interesting in the early phase of your videos, so the people can decide after the first 2 to 3 seconds of reading subtitles if it's for them or if it isn't. Let me know in the comments below, are you adding subtitles to your YouTube videos or to your LinkedIn videos? How did you edit your subtitles? Do you do it manually? Do you pay for a service to get your subtitles created? What do you think of my tip? And make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell on to get more marketing strategies and tactics in your inbox.